Sup y'all, doing some vlogging here, and I just came from that store right there, Micro Center, the local Micro Center, the nearest Micro Center where I live. Went in there and snagged this bad boy right there, 3060 Ti, man. Yo, I'm gonna be honest, I'm excited for this one. I haven't upgraded my PC in a while. I'm very much looking forward to trying this out when I get home. So yeah, it's an unboxing video. I'll unbox it right when I get home, which is right now. So I'm finally home. Yeah, I forgot to mention earlier that this came out literally today. I was out of town, then like for the past 4 or 5 days, left at 4 in the morning, 4:30 in the morning, traveled for 4 hours, went home, dropped off my things, and went straight to Micro Center, got in line, and got this. About 50 people online, like 50 to 100 people in line, and yeah, I was able to get it, man. Honestly, I'm super excited. You know that feeling when you're a kid and you can't wait to open a gift, or your Christmas gift or birthday gift? That's the feeling I'm getting right now. Actually, fun fact, this is actually a gift. My fiance is reimbursing me for buying this. It's basically a gift from a girl. So shout out to my girl for Christmas. So yeah, I'm excited. Still in the plastic wrap right here. About to open it up. Alright, so opened it up, and here we have like a little folder. It's my first time buying an MSI graphics card. Yeah, this is the MSI version of the 3060 Ti. The one I currently have is a 980 Ti, EVGA 980 Ti. But yeah, first time getting an MSI one. Yeah, and there it is, the graphics card itself. Graphics card itself right there. Oh man, can't do it with one hand. There we go. Graphics card itself, right here. Oh my goodness. Yo! Get out of there. Get out of that bag. Whew. Alright, let me unpackage this real quick. So here it is. The 3060 Ti. Looks fat compared to my EVGA 980 Ti. Yeah, it looks smaller in terms of how wide it is, but it's fatter, it's thicker compared to my EVGA 980 Ti. I can't wait. To my understanding, like I said, I've never upgraded my PC before, and I haven't upgraded my PC in like 5 years since I built it. To my understanding, I just stick it in there and should be ready to go, and can't wait to play some games with it. And yeah, I'm just excited, y'all. I'm really excited. So here we go.